My name is Jason Caine. I am the Project Engineering Manager for CCP Technologies. We found the onboarding to be extremely helpful and very valuable. I think whatever the cost was, it was definitely worth it. I would not have onboarded with Moovila without the actual onboarding. I would highly recommend having the onboarding service. Most onboarding experiences that I've gone through, and I've been through quite a few, 15 years in IT here, they're very much, this is our software, this is how you do this in our software, open a ticket if you need support. And Moovila was not like that at all. The onboarding was very much tailored to exactly what we were trying to do and really helping us achieve the things we were trying to do with project management. We were one of those MSPs. When we were signing up and Lewis reached out and he's like, yeah, this is like a 16-week onboarding. We were like, oh, can we do that faster? So it definitely hits you because it's not a typical kind of onboarding where they give you the license, they give you the login, they'll have you watch a couple of videos, you do a 1-hour session, and then you're set free, you're on your own. And now that we've gone through it, looking back, I can say that we were wrong up front thinking, oh, we just need to rush through this and just start using it because this is gonna help us so much. But really the reason why it helps us so much is because we took the time and we did week after week, the 1-hour sessions, and we learned the things we needed to learn critically as we needed to learn them. And then we started using the software, I think in like that 3rd or 4th week. Not wholly, but just now we know how to do this, so let's do this thing in Moovila. And then the next week we would just build on that. And every time you add a piece, because you're taking that information in manageable chunks, I feel like it really stuck with us. We didn't have issues where we were like, oh yeah, I think you went over that a couple of weeks ago, but I totally forgot how to do it. And so I think just in hindsight, I'm glad we did what we did. I'm glad the onboarding goes the way that it goes. And I hope other people can see that same value. Our onboarding manager was Lewis. And if he's watching this, Lewis, you were awesome. You still are awesome. You've gone above and beyond and really outpaced all of our expectations from every person on our team. You tried to help us set an appropriate time investment each week. There were some times where we really needed a lot of people from our team to be present to sort of understand some of the things we were going to talk about that week. And there were other times where maybe only 1 or 2 people needed to be there. And so just that really respect towards other people's time was very, very much appreciated. And the way that you were able to really help us understand some things, implement a couple of things to do what we were trying to do, even though those aren't directly one-to-one native supported features of the software or how it integrates with our PSA and RMM tools. Definitely do it. It's hard to explain what things probably would have looked like without it, and it is a long process. But in my opinion, nothing that is worth doing is ever achieved quickly or by cutting corners or trying to save $1 here or there. So this onboarding experience was really the reason why Moovila is so successful for us as an MSP.